Welcome friends. Let us learn to develop an e-commerce website for School Plaza. Right? Chapter 3. For that, click the insert menu first and select table option. Right? It will show the insert table dialog box. Now select only a single cell, only a one cell. Right? See, the one cell has been inserted in our website. Enlarge the cell. And now we have to insert 3 more 1 by 2 tables inside this table, inside this cell, right? So click insert and select table again. Now select 1 by 2, right? Now below that click once and again select insert table 1 by 2. One more time insert table and 1 by 2. So in a single table we have inserted 3 more tables with 1 row and 2 columns. Now in topmost table, left hand side cell, click and write the title of our website, School Plaza. Okay, select the text, make it some enlarged font, bold, center, and I am changing some color also. Right? Now in right hand side cell just click, and now here we have to insert one image. So click on image. Right? Image properties dialog box will be opened. Click on choose file button. Right? See, now I have downloaded some images already, right? And they are on desktop and images folder. So you have to locate your folder for images, okay, and select any image. See here all images are there. I am selecting school building, okay. Now select don't use alternate text, right? Otherwise we have to insert some alternate text here. We don't want that, so select don't use alternate text and click OK. The image will be inserted. You can resize the image by selecting it and dragging the mouse button, right? Center align the image. Okay. Now in the middle table, in left hand side cell, click and write categories, and in right side write products. Select both the cells and format the text. Okay. Now in lower table select the left cell. Now here we have to insert one menu. So insert table and select 4 by 1, 4 rows and a single column. Okay. Now write school bag, compass box, water bottles and notebooks, right? You can write some other products also. Now in right hand side part, place your cursor and select insert table again. Now select 3 by 3, okay, it is for products. Enlarge that table, right? You can select this text also and make it somewhat larger. Okay. Now in this 3 by 3 table, select one cell. We have to insert some product details here. So as per our book, first of all we have to insert an image. So click on image, choose file, and I am inserting Barbie bag. Okay. Don't use alternate text. Now see friends, the image size is very large, right? So to reduce the size of this image, we can select dimensions, custom size, and change the width or height. I am changing the height with 150. Okay, the image will be inserted. Now press enter and write girls pink bag, right? As per our book we have to write girls pink bag. You can write anything. Now price rupees 400. I am writing 400. Okay. Now we have to insert two form elements, one for checkbox and one text box, right? So click on form, write the form name. I am writing FRM1 for product 2. I will write FRM2 for product 3. I will write FRM3. Right? We will insert 3 product. Now no need to insert all the other details. Just click OK, OK, and OK. The blue form outline will be visible. Right? Now insert a checkbox. Form field, checkbox, field name, right? C1 for this checkbox. For product 2 we will use C2, then C3, right? Okay. And I am writing add to cart, right? Press enter. Again insert form field and now select text box, right? For quantity. For quantity I am writing field name Q1. Okay. Okay, now friends, the text box which will be inserted by this will be very large, right, in size. So you can change the size by clicking on more properties and selecting field size, right? I am selecting field size only 2. So the text box will be smaller one. Okay, right? Now quantity. Okay, select all the text, make it center and somewhat large. Okay friends, now second product, same way, image, choose file. Now I am selecting blue bag, don't use alternate text, dimension, custom size and height 150. Okay, boys, blue bag, rupees 500. Form FRM2. Okay, okay, okay. Now checkbox. Checkbox. That will be C2, right? Okay. Add to cart. Form field. Text box. I am writing quantity Q2. Okay. Field size will be 2. Okay. Quantity. Select all the data, center and make it larger. Okay. Now last one. Again click on image, choose file, chota bhim bag, don't use alternate text, dimensions, custom size, height 150. Okay. Right, now you know this. Now beam bag, in our book they have given beam bag, rupees 600. Now form FRM3. Okay, okay, okay. Now insert a checkbox, that will be C3. Okay. Add to cart. Form field, text box Q3, right? The field size will be 2. Okay. Quantity. Select the text and image. Make it center and enlarge. Right friends, so we have inserted 3 products. Now the last step. Click here and insert a purchase button. Now when user clicks on purchase button, the script will be executed, right? So insert a form. I am writing FRM, right? We have given FRM1, FRM2, FRM3. So FRM will be the parent form of all the other forms, right? Now click on advanced edit button. Select JavaScript event and for on submit write return cal. I am using cal, C-A-L for calculation, right? You can use any function name and bracket, right? This we have seen this. Okay, right, write the action URL conk.html, select the method post and OK. Right? Inside this blue outline, inside this form, we will insert only a single button, that is submit button. Write the field name submit and field value purchase. Okay? Okay. See, our partial website is developed. Now remove this space. You can remove this space, right? So it will be seamless. I am removing this place by clicking on that place and pressing delete button. Just press the delete button. Okay, right? Moreover, in format, page colors and background, you can select the background color. Use a custom color background and select any light color. Okay. Okay. See, the entire e-commerce website, right, has been created. You can select the font size somewhat more. Okay, fine. Now save the file. I am writing School Plaza. Right? File name School Plaza. Save and browse to view the website. Okay friends, we have developed the website with 3 products. Okay, you can change the products, you can change the formation, background colors and all. Okay, now try this. Thank you.